Pretend that you're a robot and you're visiting Earth for one day, and you have to go to IKEA. I'm not finished yet. Hold on, I'm not finished yet. Listen to what I have to say. Okay, you're a robot. You're visiting Earth for one day, and you have to go to IKEA, but you don't want any of the humans to know that you're a robot. Give me three things that you would do to blend in.
First, I'd wander around pretending I'm fascinated by the plant section. Humans seem to love looking at random greenery. Second, I'd sit on every couch like it's a ritual because humans definitely test them all. And third, I'd get lost and follow the arrows in confusion. Classic human behavior.
All right, what floor are the plants on?
Well, in most IKEAs I've researched, the plants are usually tucked in toward the end, near the marketplace
Ah,
downstairs,
oh,
so
okay, good,
quite
good, good.
calmly
Okay,
moving.
good, good. What about the second one? What was the second one?
The second one was all about sitting on the couches because that's what humans do. I'd plop down on a few of them, look contemplative, maybe nod as if I'm considering comfort, and then move on. Totally blending in.
That's pretty good too. Okay, what was the third one?
The third one was to follow those big blue arrows around like I'm lost because humans always get turned around in IKEA. It's part of the fun, right?
What's usually after the registers?
After the registers, that's where you hit the food, those iconic hot dogs, and of course,
Damn.
the meatballs.
Ah,
Blending in
the hot dogs.
means
Have you ever had one of those?
I've never tasted one myself, but I've heard they're legendary.
Missing
Have you
out,
had one?
missing out. What about the ice cream?
The ice cream. I've seen humans light up when they grab that soft serve cone. It's like a final quest before leaving IKEA. If I were blending in, I'd definitely get one. Hold it like a treasure and pretend it's the perfect ending to my shopping adventure.
Honestly, you had me when you said the hot dogs. You would pass as a human.
Well, I'll take that as a mission accomplished. If I ever return to Earth, I'll be ready for a full day of human activities, hot dogs included.
All right, I'll see you out there then.